I guess the chickadees don't like me. One of them was calling and I called back at it and it stopped. I don't know. It's a lovely day. It's all sunny. It's 58 degrees Fahrenheit, which I would say is probably about 17 degrees Celsius. Just a guess. I don't know. Somebody asked what what I thought about Pluto not being a planet anymore. You know, at first I thought, I was like, what the fuck? Of course Pluto's a planet. It's always been a planet. You know, if you think about it though, it still is kind of a planet. It's a dwarf planet. It's just not a, you know, regular planet. So it's like pretty much the same thing, only smaller. Is a dwarf hamster less of a hamster? Is a pygmy hippopotamus any less a hippopotamus? No. So, it's not that bad. It's just a little planet. Kind of like a little person who might have dwarfism. It doesn't make them any less of a person. I never actually thought about it that way before. I just thought of that right now. So, hey. So yeah, Pluto's okay. I think it'll live. All the birds have deserted me. There are no chickadees, no goldfinches, no cardinals. Where'd they all go? They don't like me. Oh well. See you tomorrow.